Hi, today I have a detailed video about this huge metal housing floor lamp in dark gray color from IKEA. In this video, I will unbox it, do the full assembly, install it in my room, and test different wattage LED light bulbs. This IKEA Hektar lamp comes in one but strangely shaped package, which weighs 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. The article number is 002, 153, and 07. This lamp uses standard E27 socket bulbs up to 53 watts, which gives very bright light. First, open the smallest side of the package. There you will find the lamp assembly instruction guide. With only 5 simple steps, the lamp can be fully assembled. Then open the rest of the package and you will find this huge metal shade. On this side of the package, you will also find the shade holder with the threaded socket. Be careful not to damage the cable, as it runs through all the parts. Your task is to screw together all these metal tubes. It is important to tighten them well so that the connection seams are not visible. To connect the next tubes together, pull the cable toward the lamp base. This reduces excess cable length between the tubes. Here, some help is useful. Unpack the lamp base. A nice feature is that the base is heavy enough and has 3 large rubber feet. The next step is, while pulling the cable, to insert the tube into the lamp base. It is important that the base and the tube connect straight, without gaps. Once that is done, place the metal discs on top and tighten the nut. You will need a tool to tighten it well. This step is important to keep the lamp stable. When the nut is tight enough, stand the lamp upright. At this point, you can see how tall the lamp is and how the dark gray color looks. Then rotate the threaded socket so it faces toward the center of the lamp base. Unscrew the nut from the threaded socket that secures the shade, place the large shade on, and tighten it firmly with the nut. Using the screws on the sides of the threaded socket, you can fix the shade position. You can also rotate the shade to get the position you need. When the lamp is assembled in the position you want, place it on a stool and tighten the tube fixing nut firmly. Then, place the lamp where you want to use it. Unroll the cable. A nice feature is that this lamp allows the cable to exit in any direction, as the base has large feet. If, after placing the lamp, it looks crooked, check if the base disc is secured well. If it is loose, tighten the main nut more. This will straighten the lamp tube. And the lamp will look much better because it will be straight. This is how the lamp looks behind my sofa. Now I take different wattage and types of LED bulbs to show you how the mood of my living room changes. When the bulb is in place, connect the lamp to AC power. Press the floor switch to turn the lamp on or off. This IKEA Hektar lamp gives a very cozy feeling. Just try different light bulbs to get your favorite vibe. But now I wish you relaxing evenings, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to write them under the video. But now, bye.